Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know today's not Monday, but we are going to be doing a humongous mail haul. I know I told you guys in one of my previous videos, this month is just going to be kind of crazy for me and my schedule. In August, I promise, I'm going to be back on track with new videos and uploads and back to a normal schedule. It's just been kind of crazy this summer and I'm in the process of completely changing my entire beauty room. As you can see, the background's a little bit different because we're switching some stuff around and it's just a process. So expect in the next month a huge makeup collection, huge declutters. I might do them all individually, like bronzer declutter, foundations, this, that, and the third. And then also a new reveal of my beauty room and maybe like a beauty room tour and new makeup collection. Whew, that's a lot of stuff, but just know that it's coming, it's in the works, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. Really quick before we dive into these packages, there's a lot, so grab a snack and a drink, and if you're new, make sure to subscribe and click the bell notification. That way you're notified for future videos from me. And yeah, I'm excited, so let's go ahead and dive in. Okay, so this is the first package from Drunk Elephant, and I always get so excited for their packaging. It says, "Hi, I'd like you to meet the new LALA. It's LALA, but better." And they sent over this little card. I do love the LALA retro. Ooh, oh my goodness. What is this? So they sent me this a little bag. It's super cute and it's like bubbly. And it reminds me of like one of those winter coats that are, I don't know, like this material. So let's see what we have in it. Ooh, so we have these cute little sleeping face mask. I always wonder if I can wear these with my eyelashes. Oh, I've got a lot of makeup on that. Okay, note to self, don't put on while you have makeup on. All right, let's see what else is in here. So this must be the new LALA Retro. I guess that it's just still called LALA Retro. I don't know if it's called anything new. It says rescue and recover, so I'm not sure if that was on the old one, but I love this stuff. It is so super moisturizing. And it's just like a thicker moisturizer, but it feels so good on the skin and makes your skin nice and plump. And then, oh, they also sent over, this is so cute. They also sent over a little like nightgown, like sleeping shirt, which is super cute. So thank you so much to Drunk Elephant for this cute package. Very next package looks like it came from Natasha Denona. So it says Natasha Denona Summer of 2019. Oh, yes. Okay, so I 100% just want to swatch this highlight really quick. Basically, it came with a couple different things. Let me show it to y'all. Okay, so it came with 4 different metallic metal lipsticks, and it came with the Tan Bronze and Glow palette, which I'm so excited about, and it also came with a mini Bronze and Glow. So here is what the packaging looks like, and you get 4 different things in this palette. You get a highlight, a bronzer that are powder, and then another highlight and bronzer that are cream. So let's swatch the powder one because it just looks so pretty. Oh, yes. It's very golden undertone. And then here's that bronzer. That bronzer looks like it would be pretty dark too, which I'm really excited about. There is on the hand, and then there is the other swatch. Ooh. And then I'm not going to dig into the creams yet, but I might throw this in a video because there's a lot of makeup that I need to test out for you guys. And then she sent over the mini one, which you also could use as eyeshadows. And then of course the liquid lipstick. So thank you so much to Natasha Denona for that package. Okay, next package we have came from Too Faced. As you can see, I did open this one and kind of sneak peek at it. Okay, so it says Too Faced skincare formulated to make your makeup better. And then it says Hangover RX, and I'm really excited about this too because the thing about summertime is I love a good hydrating primer. So here's what all they sent over. Let me just kind of show it to you. It says instant hydration for everyone. It says dive in makeup with skincare benefits. You have the Hangover 3-in-1 setting spray. Basically, I guess you would call it the old Hangover moisturizer. And then you have the Hangover Good in Bed hydrating serum. Ooh, I am excited because I do love the setting spray as well as the primer, and I feel like these are going to be staple in my summer routine. So thank you so much to Too Faced. It says the new skincare line is based on nourishing, hydrating, and skin replenishing properties of their Hangover RX. So thank y'all so much for that package. Okay, so the next package we have came from Origins, I believe, and this actually came in the mail today. Ooh, so here's what the package looks like. Okay, so first it says Fearless, and it is a little diamond like hair, what am I trying to say here? like a bobby pin right there. And it says, keeping the confident and fearless vibes going with our on-the-go mirror to check out your beautiful hydrated skin. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute. This is the Riki Cutie wearable mini mirror, and I have one of these. I absolutely love them. They're so great to throw in your purse because you can just pull it out and you can see everything perfectly and it lights up and everything. So thank y'all so much. And then they sent over this Origins Clear Improvement Pore Cleansing Moisturizer. Well, that's interesting because it's a moisturizer. Let's see what it says on it. So it says the moisturizer is a lightweight moisturizer that hydrates while also helping keep the skin looking clear. With 1% salicylic acid, it actively clears skin of blemishes and allows skin to heal while penetrating pores to clear most blackheads. Helps prevent new acne blemishes from forming, and it's infused with bamboo charcoal. Yep. So yeah, thank y'all so much for that package. That was so thoughtful of you guys. Thank y'all. Y'all, thank y'all. I say y'all so much sometimes. Sometimes I say you all, and then once I get in my y'all kick, it's y'all from here on out. Next thing we have actually came from Colourpop. I was like, I think I know what these are. Ooh, yes. Okay. It says, oh, hey Danielle, it's Glow Time XO Soul Team. So I'm really confused because it says at Soul Body, but it was sent from Colourpop. Now I'm getting kind of confused because I know Colourpop also has Fourth Ray Beauty. I don't know. Maybe they're a company owned through Colourpop, or Colourpop does their shipping. I'm not sure. Okay, so either way, I'm very grateful that they included me on this package. So let's see what they sent over. Okay, so this is a shimmering dry oil, and then on the side it says Find Your Soul, and they sent me 2 different shades. So the first shade that I have, oh, this is pretty. You want to shake it up though. Oh, look at that. Like, do you see these? They are gorgeous. So this shade is called Warm Gold. So when you put it on, like, you got to be prepared to rub it in. Oh, it smells so good. Look at that. It just makes my hand look so nice and moisturized because honestly, I'm so dry right now. I need to go put some lotion on. There was one video I did, I think it was my mail haul last week, and when I watched that footage, I was like, girl, you look freaking dry. Okay, so there is that. And I actually wore the Huda Beauty one this past weekend to a concert. The concert was so much fun, and I really liked the oil on me. It basically dried down really good. It looked really pretty. This one is called Soft Gold. Just look at how shimmery that is. So I could sit and just look at this forever. It's just so cool looking. It reminds me of the spray that I can't remember the name of it has. Okay, so there's those 2, and then they also sent this body kabuki brush. Ooh la la. This is a nice brush. So thank y'all so much for that package. I can't wait to see what other cool things this brand comes out with. And really, this stuff smells really good. Okay, the next package we have came from Makeup Forever. Ooh, okay, so this is their new setting spray. It says Mist and Fix Setting Spray. So here is the thing, and it says, we're so excited for you to try the new and improved Mist and Fix. Now with even more hydration to prep, set, and refresh your skin. XO, the Makeup Forever team. I've been into some setting sprays recently. I don't know what's been going on with me. Oh, I mean, it's definitely hydrating and like in your face, but I also was spraying it pretty close. It feels good. It smells good. I actually used to use that in my kit, so I really personally like the old one, and I'm sure that I'll like the new one. So thank you so much to the Makeup Forever team for that package. Next package we have actually came from Nars. I'm trying to figure out how to even open this. Oh, there it is. Sometimes when they send black packages and then it has like black tape, it's hard to figure out where to open it up at. Ooh. Look how cute this little bag is. It kind of reminds me of like a Christmas ornament. So let's see. I don't even know how to open it. Okay, it says #1 on the run. Oh, they're little minis. So these are the Radiant Creamy Concealers, and these are probably their 3 best-selling shades, I guess. Custard, Toffee, and Crema Catalana. Here's what they look like, but they are little mini sizes, which I think is so great. I typically use the shade Custard, I believe. So thank you so much to Nars for that package. Next package is actually the Boxycharm box. This box looks like it went through it. Like there's some dings and dents on the side. I do not know what happened to it, but we are just going to unbox it and see what this month holds. The first thing that we have is the Luxie. Oh, they're brushes. I'm like, I'm so confused. Ooh, these look nice. This is a 3-piece brush set. Retails for $30 from Luxie. You have a nice foundation brush, an eye brush, and then these two would be eyeshadow brushes. So really awesome. And Boxycharm does actually send me this box, so I always like to point that out. We have the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. I've heard really great things about this brand. I haven't actually got to try them out. That retails for $35. It's kind of expensive. Ooh, okay. Then we have a Peel Gel Liner, a $21 value. We have a Alamar Cosmetics lipstick, nude gloss, and it looks like a really pretty shade. Oh yeah, it's like a really nice nude, like a pinky nude. And then lastly, we have a Butter London, eyeshadow set with really pretty shades. I'm not going to swatch these because I know this video is going to be kind of long today, but these look really nice. And then I thought it would be fun to compare it to my Ipsy box for this month. I actually subscribed to the Glam Bag Plus. Oh my gosh, definitely some good stuff. This is probably the best Ipsy Glam Bag Plus I've gotten. Like, I'm really excited. They keep getting better. The first thing we have is the MAUV Obsessions from Huda Beauty. This one is super pretty. It has like lots of pinky and red tones in it. Super pretty, especially for fall also. This is so worth the money, you guys. I think it's like 20 or 25 bucks. We have the Touch in Sol Pretty Filter Waterful Glow Cream. Okay, it's all, there we go. It says immediately plumps up dry skin and by hydrating the skin. I did not know that they made this, but it looks really cool. I like the packaging. It's just kind of plasticky. I don't know why, but I just do like the packaging. So I'm excited to try that out. Then we have YINZA Tone Up Essential Glow Primer. We have the Thrive Cosmetics Mascara for volume and length. And then we have the PIXIE Glow Mist. So, very excited that I am subscribed to Ipsy. Make sure you guys sign up for it too. This video is probably going to be a lot of me being blurry because this new background is not used to what's going on. Okay, so this actually came from FACETORY. They sent me a little card, which is so cute. It says, Danielle, hope you're doing well. Loved watching your first impressions makeup tutorial. We hope that you love our quarter Luxe box, which includes 10 plus products. XO, the FACETORY team. Oh, and then you can get a 15% off for the Luxe Plus box if you use code Danielle15. This is exciting. I haven't had a FACETORY box in so long, and I really do love their face mask. They always send, oh my gosh. They must have all kinds of stuff. Okay, so it says FACETORY Luxe Plus Summer Story. Oh my gosh, this is like basically getting like a big skincare bag. Okay, let's see what's in it. First, we have these super cute stickers. We have a eye patch. This like a face mask eye patch. We have the vitamin powder cleansing tea bag. Lots and lots and lots of masks. Then there is a Be Frozen pore mask. This is cool, so it's not just sheet mask in this. We have a calming essence. I think this is almost like a toner. Then we have a natural aromatherapy lotion. And lastly, we have the Rose Blooming Mist. So thank you so much to FACETORY. This is such a cute box, you guys. So make sure to check them out. And again, you can use code Danielle15 for 15% off. Okay, then we next have a package from Derma E. Let's see what they sent. I've lost my scissors, so it says, meet your match. Find your perfect match with our tinted moisturizing BB creams. Ooh, and they sent over like, I'm guessing every shade. They have deep, medium, fair, light, and tan. Then they also, I'm like putting stuff everywhere. They sent over a little beauty blender and then a little Derma E bag. So thank y'all so much for that package. I am very excited to try out the BB cream. I really haven't been wearing that much foundation lately. Like I've been more so grabbing powder foundations for like day to day. Okay, very last package came from Bliss. And let's see what they sent. I think I just ripped this. I'm not sure exactly how to get into it. A juicy, refreshing treat that your skin will enjoy. Oh my gosh, this says, what a melon summer splash mocktail inventory checklist. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And it says requires bar tools. Oh my gosh, did they send everything to make this? Dehydrated hibiscus limes. We have cocktail rimmers. This is so cool, you guys. They literally sent limes. I don't even know when I got this package. I need to check the date on it. They sent over club soda to make this. They literally sent over like all the ingredients of what you need to make this mocktail. I'm trying to grab all the limes out. Okay, somewhere along the line it cut me off, but they basically sent me all these ingredients to make this mocktail, and then they sent over this watermelon replenishing toner, which y'all know how I feel about watermelon products. I get so excited. Then they sent over this watermelon water jelly hydrator for combination skin. And then lastly, I'm trying to figure out where I put everything because I had put it on my desk. There it is. This is a watermelon reviving and de-stressing overnight mask. So I'm very excited and such a cute package. Thank y'all so much for that. And you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this week's mail haul. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Let me know in the comments below if you're excited to see like my beauty room transformation. I'm just excited to get organized so I can think and just get back on track because I know I've been, you know, kind of all over the place lately. But I love you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.